Use a list of values to select rows from a Pandas data frame. Let's say I have the following Pandas data frame. I can subset based on a specific value. But how can I subset based on a list of values? Something like this. To get.
You can use the ISIN method. And to get the opposite, use tilde.
You can use the method query. Or
list underscore values doesn't have to be a list. It can be set, tuple, dictionary, numpy array, pandas series, generator, range, etc. And ISIN and query will still work. A note on query. You can also call ISIN inside query. You can pass a values to search over as a local underscore dict argument, which is useful if you don't want to create the filtering list beforehand in a chain of function calls. Some common problems with selecting rows. 1. List underscore values is a range. If you need to filter within a range, you can use between method or query. 2. Return df in the order of list underscore values. In the up, the values in list underscore values don't appear in that order in df. If you want df to return in the order they appear in list underscore values, i.e., sort by list underscore values, use LOC. If you want to retain the old index, you can use the following. 3. Don't use apply. In general, ISIN and query are the best methods for this task. There's no need for apply. For example, for function f, a equals 2 asterisk a, 5 on column a, both ISIN and query work much more efficiently. Select rows not in list underscore values. To select rows not in list underscore values, negate ISIN in. 5. Select rows where multiple columns are in list underscore values. If you want to filter using both or multiple columns, there's any and all to reduce columns, axis equals 1, depending on the need. Select rows where at least one of A or B is in list underscore values. Select rows where both of A and B are in list underscore values.
you can store your values in a list as list equals 3 is 6. Then df1 equals df dot ISIN list.
Another method. Unlike the ISIN method, this is particularly useful in determining if the list contains a function of the column A. For example, f a equals 2 asterisk a 5 is the function. It should be noted that this approach is slower than the ISIN method.